Today we're stepping into one of the strangest, most fascinating places in all of Thailand. This is the Black House Museum in Chiang Rai, a place where beauty and darkness collide, where art meets the afterlife, and where every corner feels like a portal into another world.
So I'm here inside the Black House Museum, or the Baan Dam Museum. It's really cool, it's a bit of me. Loads of strange paintings. It's actually by a famous Thai artist, but it combines real traditional Thai architecture with modern contemporary and other types of art, but mainly contemporary types of art, real weird collections. So the artist's name is Thawan Duchanee, famous Thai artist, and a lot of the theme is on life and death, or certainly a lot of death. You know, a lot of skulls, dead crocodiles, dead rams' heads, you know, all sorts of weird and wonderful things. But I personally love this sort of strange stuff, and it's probably a little bit like the collection I have at home. Not that I have any dead bodies or anything like that, but yeah, it's maybe not for everyone. It's quite eerie, some people say, but really unique experience. Behind me is a building just totally full of dead crocodile or alligator skins, massive as well, full room of them. Got skulls in there, you know, ram skulls with all the massive horns, all these different alligator skulls, big sets of teeth. This place is crazy. Something that I really like, not just the actual art itself, but you can scan a barcode and it makes the art 3D and interactive, which is not anything that I've ever seen before. That's really cool. All these tropical plants in the jungle, you've got the art, the sculptures, the skulls. I love this place. I think it really complements each other, you know, the modern, the old, the new, and the weird and wonderful. So yeah, if you're after a different day out, head out to the Black House in Chiang Rai.